The Oppo K15 series represents a major shift in Oppo's mid-range lineup, focusing heavily on mobile gaming, premium materials, and extreme battery life. The TINA listing suggests that the alleged Oppo K15 could arrive with a 6.59-inch AMOLED display offering a resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels. The panel is also expected to support an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock functionality. The device measures 158.3 by 75.13 by 8.27 mm and weighs 205 grams. The typical capacity could be around 8,000 mAh when officially announced. The smartphone is listed with an octa-core processor clocked at 2.5 GHz, while the chipset, offered in 8GB and 12GB RAM variants, paired with 256GB and 512GB storage options. A dual rear camera setup consisting of two 50-megapixel sensors. On the front, the phone is expected to feature a 50-megapixel selfie camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.